Okay, another late night here at the shop. So this question gets asked, where's my light going? It's just going. Still going. So, Jake Thomas's dentless stand, it's killer. It's got rollerblade wheels on it though, and it will leave you. Anywho, so way more commonly asked question than you might think is, how do you get to the bottom of doors like this? So this is a Subaru Outback, and they have a very notorious dead zone over here. But it doesn't make any sense because if you take a look at it, because when you actually take a look here, so the plug hole is way too far. So the dent is somewhere right in here, right? Right in there. Okay, so that is very much a no-go zone. And let me show you how I mean. So, even with this ultra-thin whale tail, right? Again, my lighting is terrible, it's late at night. If I stick this bad boy down in there, I get caught up on all kinds of weird stuff. Like, if you ever worked on Subarus before, you know all about that spot. So I will show you. Now, if you know anything about my history, I worked at the Subaru manufacturing facility. So I had to get pretty good at getting dents everywhere because every fucking Subaru ends up with a dent right there. So, here's what you do. It's pretty damn simple. Think about the structure that you're working with, and most doors have similar structure, okay? So, ultra-thin whale tail. Check it out. Bend about right there. That's gonna get us around this brace here, right? So you can see that's got an okay bend in it, and then just barely. So this bend right there, kind of a long swoopy thing, and even kick this tip out while still keeping this part bend. So what that's gonna do is that's going to get us around the brace that runs right about here. Going to kick out a little bit, and then because this curve is the way it is, this is actually a little adjustable. You can get it towards the skin and then slide right on in there. I'll show you. So there you go. Don't go making putting your tools in vices and giving them bends that'll never come out. So this is made of very thin metal. It's not fucking concrete. We can bend it. So you can bend this however you really need it to. These things bend back really easily. This one, I'm gonna say it's probably 10 years old, and it's holding up fine, and I bend it pretty much every day. All of them, as a matter of fact, I bend. So most cars have about the same kind of structure, but depending on, you know, where that kick is, you might bend it a little bit differently every time. Maybe you got like a big strong U, you want to bring it all the way down here and then just kick that tip out. Well, you can do that, but roughly that S right there is the shape you're looking for. Okay, so that's the quickest tip I've ever put on the site, but you know what? It's a good one. The day that you use it and the day that it works for you, you're gonna thank me you had it.